Boys, just dodge.
What?
Yeah, it's all you, man.
Have
Three?
smokes.
Oh no.
Oh fuck.
It's okay. It's
You
not
should have
bad.
dodged. You should have dodged.
No, we can hold down 2 sites with a sage that can wall on the site. Plus, you can watch flank, and we have an ult that can get on the site. Plus, we can see where everyone is with his ult. It's good. It is a-okay.
Huh? I'm on live.
No, we're gonna play for
Okay.
double peak.
Okay. Okay, I love you, mom. Whew.
Down. Last player standing.
There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. There's no.
Got it. No,
Guys, you guys got this. Bro, guys.
I didn't know he was there.
Oh, good. Oh, good.
People don't normally peek at that wall.
Oh, good. All good. All good.
Smoke's down. You want to play? Let's play.
He's definitely peeking main. He's peeking main. Right now.
Boom.
Got one.
Cutting their vision.
Okay, he's main. He's main. He's main.
Stim beacon down.
Your duty is
I'm alive!
one enemy remaining.
Chamber was main. What the f— Yo, your name is Mr. Meat, bro. Where's your meat, bro? Grab it
What?
and
What?
grab it and let's go, bro. Fix up, man. Ah, you're funny. You got jokes.
No, how did he
You
get
guys
his
for
ult
3
again?
rounds. It's been 2 rounds.
Because you guys understand that?
No. He got the kill last round, right? Oh, with his ult.
Okay, so that's
So
4.
he used ult and then he got a
Okay,
kill.
so he needs 2 kills, two orbs from spawn, and then so that's 4, right? So if he gets 2 kills,
I thought his ult was like 6 or 7.
but that's 7. So even
You
if
want
6,
to
that's not
play?
enough.
Let's
That's
play.
one diff. So he needs 3 kills.
Bruh. Yeet. Yeet.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water.
Don't break it. Listen, you guys can't break him out of there, bro. He sacrificed his life.
Boys, get me out of here.
I tried. Dang.
I'm gonna sheriff just because you guys said that. Actually, no, let me ghost. I'm gonna ghost and I'm gonna ace. Watch. Nobody get a kill. Nobody get a kill, dude. Watch this, dude. I'm not even trolling, dude.
Well, there's 1.
B.
There's
One
2.
enemy remaining.
He's over He's over here.
Oh, let me ace.
Go now.
30 seconds left.
Oh my god, come on, dude. He's on site, man. Trying to find him everywhere. Dude, this chamber is actually very good, though. This chamber is very good.
That big boy sandwich 69.
One enemy remaining.
Damn.
Defenders
GG's
win.
guys, this is so fair, but GG's.
Nigga, the chain. Oh my god, bro. Your chamber is fucking beast, bro. Oh my god. Holy shit. Alright, man. We'll keep going hard, man. was like, I'm gold, and you're giving me a run for my money, bro. So, you guys clearly deserve gold, bro. At least.
That's what I mean.
But yeah, no, just keep queuing, bro. Try to 5-stack or whatever. Three stack. Try to 3-stack. 3-stack is always good. Bro, you got stop queuing with that Omen if the homie's cutting out at 12, bro. Fuck. Like, what are you gonna do? Mid game. Oh no. Shit.
Yeah, GG.
But yeah, man. GG's, man. It was a good game.